So today I'm going to be taking another hike in the woods, and today's hike is going to be the Battle Creek Woodland Park Nature Preserve. And I'm taking my other dog Blue with me for a walk today. So we'll see you soon on the trail. So today I'm walking with Blue, as you can see here. Hey Blue. All right, so this is called the Woodland Park Nature Preserve. And fortunately there's not a lot of traffic here today, so I've only seen 2 of the cars in the parking lot when I pulled up. But it's a nice place to go out in the woods and just get away for a little while right here in Battle Creek. So let's see what we can find. So we are nearing the end of our hike. It was a good day, and you know, Blue and I had a good exercise this morning. It's a nice quiet area. Only ran into a few people, so definitely worth checking out if you're in the Battle Creek area and looking to get a little outdoor exercise. So it's the Woodland Park Nature Preserve. Hey Blue, what'd you think about today? Huh? Any thoughts? Are you ready for a biscuit?